Okay, just trying to get an assessment of the basement here before I get started at some attempt at cleanup. You can kind of see all the water was high enough to get into all the insulation. It's all sopping wet and falling down. See the scum all over the floors. The heat ducts were also full of water. See all that insulation over there falling down. Luckily we got the pumps going to get the water out. Come back around here. This humidification unit was completely underwater. Tried to plug it in and it didn't work, so it's probably shot. Anyways, I don't know how far back you can see, but it is a mess.